Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the essential AI skills that every IT professional must learn to survive and thrive in 2026. Most engineers think AI is just about using a chatbot, but that is a massive mistake. If you ignore the underlying engineering and operational shifts, you are risking your career. This list will save you months of aimless learning and help you focus on what actually moves the needle. So, why does this matter so much right now? Because the industry has moved past the novelty phase. We are seeing burnout in teams that rely on manual scripts while their competitors use AI-driven automation. If you want to know how to stay productive and avoid the stress of falling behind, check out our video on DevOps burnout. Today, we are focusing on the technical roadmap to build, monitor, and scale intelligent systems. We have a packed agenda today. We will start with data manipulation skills, move into agentic architectures, look at integration platforms, break down MLOps lifecycles, and finally cover modern reasoning models. Specifically, we are covering these 5 distinct categories. So do not skip ahead. Watch all the way through to actually understand this properly. If you are interested in consistent, high-quality IT tutorials, make sure to subscribe and join our WhatsApp channel using the link in the description. Please do hype the video, as that really encourages me to upload more content regularly. Let's talk about the foundation. You cannot build AI systems if you cannot clean the data feeding them. If you think you can skip the basics of data analysis, you are wrong. You need to master 3 core libraries. These are not optional. They are the bread and butter of every AI pipeline. First, Python is the absolute baseline. If you cannot write clean, modular Python, you cannot integrate with modern AI frameworks. Second, Pandas is what you use to handle messy real-world data like logs, CSV exports, or JSON responses from APIs. Finally, NumPy is what you need for mathematical operations, especially when you start working with vectors or embeddings in your AI models. Mastering these 3 puts you ahead of 95% of the field. So what is an AI agent architecture really? It is a system where the AI has a goal, tools to execute that goal, and a feedback loop to correct itself. It is not just about a prompt anymore. It is about building a system that can think, plan, and perform tasks across your infrastructure. Think about this. You have the LLM acting as the brain. It analyzes the user request and hands it to the task planner. The planner breaks the work down into steps. Then, the tool executor performs the actions, like running a command or querying a database. The result flows back to the brain to check if the goal is met. This is the core of modern agentic systems. Notice how we define a tool function here. The agent uses the description of this function to decide when to call it. This is how you give an AI the ability to interact with your real infrastructure. It is not magic. It is just structured function calling. Once you have an agent, you need to connect it to your workflow. This is where integration platforms come in. You shouldn't be building custom glue code for every single service. You should be using orchestration layers. N8N is incredible for building visual workflows without writing thousands of lines of code. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, is the new standard for letting your AI agents talk to databases and internal tools safely. And LangChain is your go-to for chaining complex LLM calls together. These are the tools that turn a standalone model into a production-grade automation engine. Specifically, that includes MCP, the Model Context Protocol for cross-tool communication. Building a model is easy. Keeping it running in production is where everyone fails. You need to understand MLOps. If you don't know what MLOps is, check out our dedicated video on the topic. It is about versioning your data, monitoring for drift, and automating deployments. Think of MLOps as DevOps for machine learning. You have continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous monitoring. But instead of just testing if the code runs, you are testing if the model's accuracy is still acceptable. It requires a completely different mindset. Finally, we have the new generation of reasoning models. These are models trained not just to predict the next word, but to think through a problem step by step. You need to understand how to prompt these models correctly to get high quality reasoning chains. Chain of thought is how you force the model to show its work. Context window management is about making sure your agent doesn't lose the plot when a conversation gets too long. And system prompts are your primary security layer to ensure the agent doesn't hallucinate or go off rails. These skills are how you build reliable AI systems. Now, let's talk about mistakes. I see these every single day. If you make these, your project will fail, guaranteed. First, never put sensitive credentials in your prompt templates. It is a massive security risk. Second, ignoring costs. One loop in an agent can consume thousands of tokens in seconds. You need to monitor your spend. Third, lack of observability. If you cannot see why an agent made a decision, you cannot fix it when it breaks. And it will break. To be precise, that covers hard coding credentials in system prompts. Here is the recap. You need foundational data skills with Python, Pandas, and NumPy. You need to grasp agentic architectures. You must use orchestration tools like N8N and the Model Context Protocol. You need to apply MLOps to production life cycles. And finally, you must master reasoning models and system prompt boundaries. If you cover these 5 categories, you are setting yourself up for a successful career in the AI era. These are the skills that separate the amateurs from the professionals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and join our WhatsApp channel using the link in the description. We share practical IT tutorials every single day, so stay tuned for more deep dives into AI and DevOps. And please do hype the video. That really encourages me to upload more videos regularly. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.